shoulder the neck. Again, try to close a little bit more from comfort. Keep your walk. Come. So, and then you start your canter. Good. And keep the neck. Keep the neck. Come. And don't be so light. Be light when he is round. And then the rein gets light automatically. So, and jump. Not pulling to the right, to the left, sorry. So, good. And this he has to accept. So, this neck is good. Good, change rein again. Yeah, but one circle. Keep this nice neck when you turn. Good. Come, from behind. Make him round. Oh, better. From behind. Upper body back. Oh. Good. Good that you waited. That was good. So, touch the mouth. Oh, yeah. Take the snaffle rein. And connect with your upper body. Turning left. Turn. Circle. So, upper body. So. Quiet hands, Ashley. Bending a little bit. To the left. And again. Upper body and round in the neck. Good. Oh. Good. Then go on to, so then transition to trot. Oh, come. Yeah, but keep him in front. Right? No problem. Right against the bit. And then wait till he gets light. And then you get light in your transition. And a little bit bending. Good. And again. So, leg and round. From behind. Bending in the corner. Come. Don't escape in a passage. He has to accept your reins, the bit. Not too much bending. Come. Touch the mouth. Come. And tiny little bit rounder the neck. So. Good. So. Good. So, circle and then allow him to stretch. That's enough for today. Good. It's a very, very nice horse, Ashley. The trot is very good, but you have to make sure that really everything goes through the neck. Yeah, that when you touch the mouth, he is not escaping from you. Okay? Mama, you agree? Good. So, pat him. No problem. I think also it's a little bit that he's in walk, he's searching for a balance.
Yeah.
Yeah? That he wants to lean on something to find his balance.
Yeah.
Yeah? So that's why I said you cannot hold the walk. You can hold it, not with your reins, with your seat. Good, pat it. Good. Das war's doch, oder? Two.
I can pull it.